in a high ponytail. It doesn't have to be tight, it doesn't have to be neat, it's just got to be high. Okay, and just like that. So I'm just gonna pull some little bits down. I'm just gonna take a small conical wand, just gonna curl all the bits there out. Take sort of like 1/2 inch to inch sections both ways, so curl in both directions. Your arms will ache by the end of this. And then with your fingers, just comb through it all. And then I'm literally just going to pin bits to keep it in place. And yeah, just pretty much have a play about with it until it falls where you want it.